Okay, we're coming up on the development on Appian Way on the left. We'll do an overall drive-by. Today we're going to be taking a walking tour of 2507 Appian Way, and since these units are identical, we're just going to do the walking tour on 2507A. Each of these units are approximately 1,700 square feet per the builder, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. And you walk into the living and dining and kitchen area. These are quartz countertops, not granite, higher level. Cabinet doors are all soft close. They close automatically. Very nice side-by-side refrigerator. Stainless steel. And the pantry, which is a nice size. And then looking back across the kitchen island to the living area. Luxury wood look vinyl flooring all around. Also includes 2-inch faux wood window blinds. Nice vaulted ceiling. Continuing through the downstairs hall. To the left, we have the 2-car garage with a garage door opener. And the first closet is the water heater closet. And the second room is the half bath, downstairs half bath. And then the laundry. Nice big laundry. And then continuing back through the hall, we will go up the stairs. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Very nice vaulted ceiling upstairs with ceiling fans. And then you also have a closet in each of the bedrooms, which is fairly nice size. And then continuing down the upstairs hall, you have the secondary bath And shower with subway tile. And then a linen closet as well. Master bath and bedroom, or ensuite, whichever you prefer. Another large shower with subway tile. And it has a his and hers vanities. And also a very nice L-shaped walk-in closet. And walking out of the master bedroom, continue on to the last secondary bedroom. And it also has a closet. And all the closets are lighted. Let's go take a look outside. Back downstairs. Nice outdoor patio. Backyard fence, wooden, privacy fence all the way around. And the other set unit is identical.